In 2025 alone, hackers stole $713 million directly from personal crypto wallets, not exchanges, not big companies, regular people's wallets. That happened across 158,000 separate incidents, hitting 80,000 different victims. And here's the part that should actually worry you: impersonation scams targeting crypto users jumped 1,400% year over year. This isn't rare. It's routine. So here's exactly how it happens, and exactly how to stop it from happening to you. Number 1. Seed phrase theft. Your seed phrase is the master key to your entire wallet. Anyone who has those words owns your crypto, permanently, with no password reset. The single biggest mistake people make is storing it digitally, in a phone note, a screenshot, a cloud drive, an email to themselves. Write it on paper, or stamp it into metal, and keep it somewhere no photo or malware scan can ever reach. Number 2. Clipboard hijacking malware. Microsoft recently uncovered one called a crypto clipper, spreading through infected USB drives. It sits quietly on your computer, checking your clipboard every half second. The moment you copy a wallet address to send funds, it silently swaps in the attacker's address instead, so you paste what looks identical, but your money goes straight to a stranger. The fix is simple but non-negotiable. Always double-check the first and last few characters of any address right before you hit send, every single time, no exceptions. Number 3. Fake wallet apps and phishing sites. Scammers build near-perfect clones of trusted wallet apps and login pages, and that impersonation wave is exactly what drove last year's 1,400% spike. Only ever download wallet apps from the official App Store listing or the project's own verified website, never from a link in a message, comment, or ad. Number 4. Unknown USB drives. That same clipboard malware spread specifically through USB sticks, disguising itself as ordinary Word or Excel files. If you don't know exactly where a USB drive came from, don't plug it in. Number 5, and the one that actually stops all of the above at once, a hardware wallet. It keeps your private keys on a physical device that never touches the internet, so even a fully infected computer can't hand your keys to anyone. None of this requires being a technical expert. It requires treating your seed phrase like a house key, double-checking every address, and refusing to trust anything you didn't personally go looking for.